Good morning, class 6. This is computer class. Last day we were started chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is presentation visual effects. Last day I explained you that what is presentation software and how many views are there in PowerPoint. Okay. Um, so there are total how many views? There are total 6 views, main views: normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, slideshow view, reading view, and master view. Already last day I explained you about the normal view. In normal view, I explained you that what is outline tab, slide pane, notes pane. And also I explained you slide sorter view, in which you can view all the slides in thumbnail form. Today, I will explain you rest of the 4 other views. So first of all, we will start with notes page view. Okay. So in front of you, this is the presentation of my last video. In a last video, I explained you these things. In the same video, I will explain you what is the uh, rest of the 4 views and how we can use it, how we can work on those views. To For that, first of all, we will click on the view tab. Okay, when you will click on view tab, this is the normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view, slide master view. Okay, so one more time, I am explaining you this. This is just a revision. Normal view. This is the normal view, which is default view. It is in front of you. Okay. This is outline view, where you can see the outline of your all the slides. In first slide, I made here title class 6, subtitle computer. Then in second slide, chapter 5, it is as the title, subtitle, presentation visual effect. Then in third slide, I made here presentation software. I was written the content, in which I was given the definition of presentation software. In next one, I explained you last day views in PowerPoint. This is the title, and then this is the content. Okay, so this is the outline view, and today we will start with I explained you also last day slide sorter view, in which all the slides you can see in the form of thumbnail form. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 slides I have, and I can see in the form of thumbnail. Now next I will explain you what is the notes page view. So when you will click on notes page view, for which slide, on which slide you are. Okay, currently I was in this slide, views in PowerPoint. So when you will click on that particular view, on the particular slide, that slide will appear in front of you on the screen, and just below that content you can see here, click to add text. Here you can write here the notes. Okay, like I am writing here, these are the views in PowerPoint which I have to explain. Means you can write here the notes, you can write here the notes related to that particular slide. Okay, now you can, I think you can now see that what note I was written related to my this slide. Okay, these are the views, these are views in PowerPoint which I have to explain. Okay, this view I was written here related to this slide. Okay, in this way, for all the slides, you can create different note page. And what is the um, speciality of this notes page view. In the notes page view, you can use it to edit the speaker notes. Okay, you can write here, and if you want, you can do some editing also, and it will look how you can see in front of you on the screen. In the same way, when you will take the print out, you will get in the same way. Okay, in upper part you will get the slide, in printout you will get the slide, and just below the slide, okay, slide form, you will get the notes related to that slide. Okay, in the same way how you are looking in the, how you are watching on the screen, in the same way you will get the printout. Okay, upper part will be the slide and lower part will be related notes. Okay, so this is known as the notes page view. Next is reading view. What is the reading view? Now I will click on the reading view. What is this reading view? Reading view means it is used to view the presentation as a slideshow. Like when you are getting the, when you are doing the slideshow, when you want to show your presentation, so in the same way you can view your presentation in the form of slideshow. And what happened, you can see here that this slideshow will fits within the window. According to your window, according to the length and width of your window, according to that side, your presentation will be fixed in the reading view. So this is the main use of reading view. When I will press here enter key, or when I will just click from the mouse, okay, next slide will appear. In this way you can see here, this is the reading view, not the slideshow view, but it looks like the slideshow view. It will work like the slideshow view. Now the end of the slideshow, so it will same, it will work like the slideshow. Okay, and according to that it will fit according to the window. Okay, now the slide, so I will explain you, but it in the last, before it I will explain you the I explained you normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view. Now the slide master, this is also known as master view. Okay, so now what is the use of master view? So master view, uh, it includes slides, hangouts, notes view, everything. You can see here, you can insert here title, okay, master title slide, and you can write here in footer, you can write the notes also. Okay, and what are the main uses of slide master? It is mainly used when we have to create the long presentation, when we have to create the long presentation, when we have to create lots of the slides, then we are using the master view. So what we are doing, we can give the effect on the entire presentation, not on that particular um, presentation, no, sorry, not on the particular slide. With the help of master slide, with the help of master view, we can give the particular effect on the entire presentation. Means on all the slides we can give the same effect. Same effect means on all the slides you can give the same layout, you can give the same background, you can give the same color or same logo, or you can give the same font, same size, same color. So these all effects you can give on entire presentation. So it is very useful when we are preparing a when we are preparing a long presentation with lots of slides. So now how it will work we will see. So when we will click on the master slide, this is the slide master. This tab will appear in front of you, slide master. So just go, slide here, move here, and come on the first slide. Click here, okay? Click here, and now you will see that whatever effect I will give here, that will applicable on all the slides. You can see here this slide master. Now I will change its background style. Okay, like here I am giving here this background style. Okay, you can see here all on all the slides it is applicable now. You can see here. Okay, now the theme if I want to change. Okay, first of all I will explain you the color, how it will change the color. Like if I will click here and I will select. Okay, then I will go in the home and I will make it bold. Okay, italic, underline, and I will change its color. Can you see the changes on all the slides? I think it is visible on all the slides. You can see all the slides. In all the slides, titles are underlined. It is now converted into the red color. Can you see that? Yeah. Can you see that all the slides title are in red color and all are underlined, bold, in italic? Can you see that? Yes. So what I will do the next, I will change its font also. Can you see this effect? Yeah. You can see again, it is applicable. Okay. Now I will go to the slide master and I will close here master view. Okay. I will go here master view. Now you see in the normal view. Did you get the changes? Yeah. My theme was different that time. Background color was also of different type, different color now, but it is changed, and at a time I changed everything. I used those changes only on that first slide, and it is applicable on my entire presentation. In this way you can see that in all the presentation, in all the slides, it is now changed. It is now changed. No, all the titles are in now red color. Size is changed, and then bold, I changed it into the bold letter, and all titles are here underlined. Background is changed, everything is changed. So at a time we can give the changes, we can apply the changes in our entire presentation on all the slides. So this is the main use of master view. Okay, so in this way I explained you all the slides which are given in your book. Now next one is slideshow. Okay, this is slideshow. How first of all, what is the use of slideshow? So slideshow is used to show your presentation in front of the viewer. If you want to present your presentation in front of people, you have to use which view? Slideshow. So there are several ways to use this slideshow. First of all, we will click on the slideshow. You can see here slideshow I used here. I will click here slideshow. Okay. And then from where you want to start your display the information. So if you want to display from beginning, you click here from beginning button, or from current slides, then you click here from current slide. I want to display, I want to present my presentation from beginning, so I will click here. Okay, second slide, now the third slide, now the fourth slide, then the fifth slide. Yeah, this is your homework. Okay, on fifth slide I was given the homework. Just note down, write the uses of. Write the uses of what? You have to write the uses of normal view. Okay, then Write the uses of slide sorter view, write the uses of notes page view, write the uses of master view, and write the uses of reading view. These all uses you have to write. If you have any doubt, then what you can do, first you write down in your rough copy, and then if you have any doubt, you can ask in my next online class, then you can share it. Okay, now end of the slide. Now we rest on our main presentation. Okay, so if I am here on the third slide show current presentation. So it will start from the current slide. Okay, it will not start from the beginning. So this is the difference between from beginning and from current slide. From beginning it will give the slideshow, it will show your presentation from beginning, and from current slide button it will display from that current slide. Okay, the next way you can press the F5 on your keyboard. There is a F5 button. If you will press on that, it will show you in the same way slideshow. Okay, uh, and in this way I explained you all these views. And one more way how you can display your slideshow, how you can, this is the button. Okay, which button I used? On the status bar, you can see here the slideshow button. This is the slideshow button. When you will click, it will work in the same way how you use this slideshow tab or F5 key. In the same way it will work. So there are three ways for the slideshow. So in this way I explained you all the views used in the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. In my next class, I will explain you the animation and transition. Okay. So you all do your homework. This is your homework. I will send you in the form of message also. But here, this is the homework. You can do your homework in your rough copy, or if you are confident, then you can do directly in the fair copy also. Okay. So have a great day. Thank you.